Hello, my good people of Edo State. I greet all of you. It is me, your brother, your friend, Comrade Charles Ignadian. I just want to drop this quick one this morning on a video that I come across on YouTube. It was actually Naija Watch who posted the video. So, my brothers and sisters, we just use simple language that we all understand, which is our normal English. You understand now, pidgin English. So, for all of us to understand this thing, I say when Naija Watch post something of Dion Osagi, begin the rant for inside one car. Say, I do not be Houston, I do not be America. So sometimes I see they ask myself, say, this Naija Watch, they not get a better thing to brokers. They not get better thing to brokers at all. For them to even come out to come even see, we don't use Edo not be Lagos to win election. Whether you like am, you don't like am, you just go to continue go to fool yourself. You go continue go to fool yourself. And the people who even they show you for their platform, we even they show your video. Now them may even blame because it can't be like say they not even get sense. Why then go even carry that kind of thing come on? The way they even know say everything what you dey do not make sense. It not make sense. You just say you dey mock Edo people. You just say you dey mock Edo people. We Edos way dey in diaspora. Not be all of us not get sense. So many dey way not get sense at all, and you na number one of them because now you they come out for social media can't they fool yourself. Say I do not be Houston, I do not be America. Say you they do come as you dey America for there. Now person they feed you, you get work. You come and you say I do not be Houston. As stupid as you are, you not get sense. All those money where you take the help, then where you say you open God Sent Foundation. Not be people they contribute the money they give you. I be get company where you put for America where you they work now, can't they bring the money, you can't take the help, the less privilege where you say they help. Who even know whether they help anybody self? They will give you money, may you go to do something, you will do a mago, you carry the money and put them for your pocket. Which work you they work? You get work, you go even feel work, you get power to work. You not get power to work, and also you not see get break to sit work. You know anything? You know anything now they not see you for any debate for this election before the election finish. So election don't finish, they never they never saw governor in. You don't run go Lagos, you don't close the illegal and the 419 foundation where you say you open. You don't close and run go Lagos, go open car wash. Can they make mad? Can they make mad for there? May God punish you, punish your head. You come out, you dey inside car. If na Lagos now you go to ride the car. Now person even they ride you. Person you even manage and you struggle enter your friend car. You they make man say you they go for shopping. Which shopping you they go for? God punish you. Or now like you now they deceive people within Nigeria. And like you now no make Nigeria people see open high. You see many of your type to the many youth like you dey for the street now, they protest and they agitate for good country. They want get good country for themselves. All of us they do something maybe see Nigeria, we put Nigeria on a better map. A person like you go see come out. Our effort what would they do now? You go see come they put your stupid behavior, maybe they like they scam people. They God punish you, punish your generation. You come out for social media, come begin to mislead people anyhow. What you don't do, you to help people. The God Sent Foundation where you say you open your money, now you take they do what they do. Not be people they contribute the money. Not be people they contribute the money. Just say those people where they contribute the money, say them before. Then you not go see any money again. I make you run close now because how you go say you dey open, you dey run a foundation for charity, then you go to support one candidate wey be say election they come. And this one I can't the way the whole Edo people even there again. Majority of the Edo, I can't just say maybe Edos or the Edos. No, majority of the Edos, they against and say they don't want that kind of person for power. But you come and you they support and you do say you want to do everything. You begin to go to show roadway not good. They say Obaseki fail. Okay, you want tell me say all the roadway there Edo state. You not consider the one where Obaseki see do way see carry come out. The time where Oshomole they don't they see roadway spoil. You come out now, you come begin this like they talk, say I do not be Houston, I do not be America. May God punish you. We all know say I do not be America. We know say I do not feel be like any European country. That's why we they agitate. That's why we they try to put together our effort so that we go see make Edo be better place. Nigeria where Edo they inside, they not even good not to talk of say maybe Edo state. So we dey try to make sure say Edo state work for the people. Not be for few people like una. May God punish you. Come out again, begin to do all this thing. I saw people go they come and they go they attack you. They go they counter all those your stupid behavior. You see they behave like small pikin. They behave like a baby when they see they put food for a table. You don't get sense at all. Now Naija watch where they come and come begin they broadcast your live video. Now them me I evil still blame. Now them me I blame. You like say maybe they not get work, they not get better person where they go show. That make them see they show you. You want to use until they mock say Edo talk and say Edo not be Lagos. So you want to use until mock Edo say Edo people. They make they come see use things say Edo not be Lagos. So Edo not go physically be like America. We know say Edo not be America. We know say Edo not be America. See, what thing you know that say if you be person where you go school, you go know say we not talk say Lagos not develop as Edo. We say Edo not fit be Lagos where be say one person go just come out come decide for Edo say nah this one I want be governor for the next 4 years just like as Tinubu they do then Oshomole come they do one for Edo. Now make we say Edo not be Lagos. If you don't get sense, may you get sense. Now may you know the meaning of that Edo not be Lagos where we use. Idiot like you. You come out again enter inside motor. As you come out, as Naija was, they say they not get work, so then they show your video where they misbehave. People like me, we go see they come out, we go they counter you, we go they give you bumper to bumper. May God punish you, punish your generation. You come Europe, everybody day Europe, everybody day in the diaspora. We they try to do everything possible to make sure say we make our country, our state a better country for the people. Then you come begin to spoil wetin we all they put together. And you can't say God not go punish you. My brother, God go punish you. God go punish you. You not get sense. As soon as say na backward now na go dey carry our people they go. So now that backward now na go remain. For na generation, now that backward now na go remain. Nobody will not they feed the heat for Europe. Nobody will not feed the heat for in the diaspora. Everybody they eat well. People like you wey see dey in the diaspora wey see they misbehave, where they do, where they try make they mislead our people back home. Now God go punish all of una. June number 1, Iranomigo, what did they call this one? Pastor Desmond Osazuwa. What did they call this one? Another one again, which is Andrew Mofuwa. Which another one again? Johnny Bizugbe. Many of una wey not get sense. If Naija world go come and come they show person like you where you they misbehave, I wonder why be say maybe then chebi una for see come and they show Mofi face now. Una for see they come and they show Mofi face, maybe they see the washer. Since una feel they show person where they deceive a whole Edo state like this, where they mock a whole Edo state. Slogans what we all use to make sure say we win election, and God can say help us. We use that slogans, we use that word to win the election. I don't know be Lagos. One person go come and go say one can they use until they mock Edo people. Then when I see they come and they show and what you know they show. Naija word, what you know they show. So at that video wanna post now, me wanna tell me how it if it hard to una channel. What it hard to una channel just because una they get the views. The views wanna they get the money where YouTube they pay. Now that one now na they enjoy. So una not gonna know the better thing will be say maybe una will use una platform take be like say make those state good again. Una no know better thing una use una platform take promote again. Na to come out come dey use una platform take dey promote all these stupid people. E pay me for all of una. E pay me for the mind wey be say the mind wey Nigerians wey we get. We go know something wey dey good, but we go dey do the bad thing. We go know wetin people want. We go know wetin people go enjoy. Then we go want make we dey put people for suffer. So how we go take move forward? How we go take move forward? See, in life, everything like this, it matters. No be only we wey dey come out now come dey talk. No be him. Those of una wey still dey use una platform system maybe just as this Naija word be now say the people dey watch them, people dey view them well. So dem still dey use una. So now supposed to dey carry something wey be say maybe people go dey educate people well, go dey put our people mind for one place so that all of us, if we can't decide say maybe we want make change, e no go dey difficult for us to decide. No be when some people go dey do something good, then una go still dey show am. Some go dey do something bad, una go still dey show am. Na how una come say make people take wake up? How una come say make people take wake up? Okay, see this media when I dey use house TV media. See, since when this election dey come, e never get one day wey be say maybe dem go put person wey be say e dey talk bad against Obaseki administration. Dem go just dey carry person wey dey talk good of wetin Obaseki don do for Edo State. Na that one I see make me see dey use them. And till today na dey still dey do the same thing. Why una not just use una platform till dey make sure say na Eze Iyamu una wan you dey use am till dey promote? Because all those supporters, all those fans wey come dey support Eze Iyamu, we know say na insult, na misleading, na dem know how to make our people. So Naija watch, my brothers, make una wake up, make una wake up, make una wake up. Because the time wey we be say maybe we go dey deceive ourselves, e don pass. Make all of us wake up, because all of us need to work on ourselves. So John Osage, you not be better person, you not get sense, you not go school, you not know anything. So you not get one thing where you take make Edo State great. You not get one thing where you do for Edo State where Edo State take change. Everything where you dey do na scam. Na 419 now you be. You not get work. You not go fit get work. You be lazy youth. You be lazy youth. May you dey for America. May you find work. May you dey work. May God punish you. May you try. May you get sense, Try. May you get sense with all those your stupid English where you dey speak. Yeah, man. May kill you for there. Ozuo.